अस्सलामु अलैकुम, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। दुआ है आप सब सेहत और आफियत के साथ होंगे। Today I am super excited to take you on a magical walking tour of one of Riyadh's most iconic attractions, the Boulevard World. So get ready to travel across the globe in just one evening. This place has it all. I am Iskornia Shahid Beg और आप सैर कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ दुनिया की, वो भी फ्रॉम द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर बेडरूम। इस वीडियो को पूरा एंजॉय कीजिएगा। ये एक झलक है बदलते सऊदी अरब की। From the wild rhythm of Africa to the timeless wonder of ancient Egypt, each step in Boulevard World feels like stepping into another world. As we stroll through India, the air is rich with spices, colors, and culture. And then suddenly we are surrounded by snow. Yes, real snow. In Courchevel, the Alpine-style French zone that brings winter to the desert. In Iran, be mesmerized by a truly magical dance performance, a blend of grace, history, and mysticism that leaves you spellbound.
والله ديناصور اول لو
Moving into Mexico, dare to enter the chilling Doll's Trip, a horror-themed attraction set in an abandoned doll factory not far the faint-hearted. The aroma of Moroccan spices welcome you next, as traditional stalls offer handicraft wonders and savory delights. feel the energy rise in the USA zone, where the streets buzz with lights, live music, and iconic American flavors.
يا شيخ I love you. Turkey, Pakistan, Zindabad.
Hoş geldin.
In Turkey, enjoy the drama of the famous Turkish ice cream stall and don't miss the street vendor pouring hot, aromatic tea and flair of tradition. And then behold the most enchanting display of all, the Paris zone. The magical big screen show lights up the night, painting the sky with art, dream, and love. Finally breathe in the beauty of the Saudi Arabia zone, where the soul of the kingdom is celebrated through its heritage, hospitality, and pride. Boulevard World, where the world unites in wonder. If you have enjoyed this walkthrough wonder, don't forget to like and share the video. This is Skorone Shahid Beg signing off with peace, prayer, and pocket full of stories. Until next time, stay happy, stay curious. Allah Hafiz.